Hello everyone, this is Suresh from Azure ADB. Today our topic is how to access the values from dictionary using Python. So today we'll mainly see two methods. One is direct access method, that means dictionary of key value. So using square brackets. And one more method is by using get method. So in both methods, if you pass the key value, then what output we'll get. So mainly we are accessing the values by defining keys. So first we'll see direct key access method. So in this method, we'll use square brackets, and what it did is, so this is normal access. You can say as direct access or normal access. So it will break sometime. So when it will break, so whenever you defined key here in direct access method, if that key is not available in your dictionary, then it will throw you error like this. Key error, that means here price is the key. So that means this particular key is not available in your dictionary. So this is direct access method. So we'll see with one example. So here I have one nested dictionary. If you see here in my flat dictionary, I have three key value pairs, and here I have one nested dictionary. So here key is products and value is this whole thing. So this whole thing is the now nested dictionary. And under products, this is my whole value. And under this, I have one more key. And for this key, this is the value. So under products, I have four key value pairs. And under purchase, I have three key value pairs. So now what I'm doing, I'm trying to access direct by using direct access method. So in direct access method, what is the syntax? Dict of key. So by using square brackets, inside square brackets, we are passing the key value. So here dict. So dict means what is my dictionary name? My dictionary name is sales. And in this sales, I'm passing key as name. So now what it does is it will go to this dictionary and it will check whether this key called name is available or not. So here name is available. So what it will give output? That relevant value it will give you output. So that is Karishma. So what it print is name of the salesperson as Karishma. So this output is Karishma. See here, name of the salesperson as Karishma. In second case, here what I'm doing, I'm trying to access one of the key of from products. So that means this is nested. So nested, how will access by using direct method? First dictionary name, that is sales dot and products. Sales dot products. So that means I'm directly accessing this key, and inside key I want to access this one Samsung. So Samsung is the my key name. So sales dot products, sales products, and Samsung. Since Samsung key is available, it will give you output as 100. So what it will print? Number of Samsung products is 100. See here, number of Samsung products are 100. So next what I'm doing, sales products. So that means under products, I'm checking Nokia. See under products, Nokia, it is there. So for Nokia, what is the value? 90. And what it print? Number of Nokia products as 90. So next, sales products. So in these products only, I'm accessing second nested key value. So products, purchase, under products. So this is products. And again, I'm accessing purchase, and inside purchase, which one I'm accessing? Sold date. So that is this one. So now this relevant value is the output. So now what it prints here is product purchase date. So product purchase date. So this is the value it will print. And a similar way, sales, products, purchase. So sales, products, purchase, it will come here, and inside that I am accessing discount. So my key is the discount. So for discount, what is the value? 10. So product discount is 10. See here, product discount is 10. So now whatever I mentioned here, all the keys are available. So since keys are available, it giving you output. So now what we'll see, now I'm providing one key which is not in this dictionary. So here what I'm doing, print sales is my dictionary. In this sales, my key is the key name is marketing. So now it will go to this sales dictionary. It will check for key name of marketing. And if you see here, nowhere you will find marketing. So that means that key of marketing does not exist in this dictionary. So now in direct access method, what it does is it will throw you error like key error marketing. So that means this marketing key is not available in this dictionary. So this is about direct access method. So next we'll see get method. So get method, we'll see why this is safe access method. So here, what is the syntax for get method is, first we need to define the dictionary name, that is sales dot get. Get is the method. So in dictionary, if you have dictionary, if you want to access the elements, this is second method, that is get method. By using get method, we're going to access key. So here key is name. So now what it does is it will go to sales dictionary and it will check for name of the key. So key of name is available and it will give you that relevant value. So that is Karishma. So here we are getting output. And this is the syntax dict. Dict means dictionary name dot get key. So key comma actual syntax is default value. Actual syntax is default value. So, but this is optional. Since it is optional, so I mentioned only key here. That means this one. So next, what I'm doing, print sales is my dictionary dot get, and now my key is marketing. We already saw here this marketing does not exist in our dictionary. See here, this key is not available in this dictionary. But if you compare indirect access method, that means using square brackets, it throwing you error. But in this get method, it won't throw you error. Instead, it will give you none. So there is one more advantage with using get method. As I told syntax here, for get method, we need to pass two parameters. One is key, one more is default value. So here I passed only key. Since key does not exist, it giving you none. So here what I'm doing, on top of key value marketing, I'm passing here default value. So here, what is my default value? What I mentioned here, marketing is not found. Marketing not found. So by using get method in this dictionary, first it will check whether key is there or not. So since this key is not available, that is marketing is not available. Now what it does is it will print the default value. That is marketing not found. So that means whenever key is not available in dictionary, suppose if you provided default value, it will print the default value. Suppose if you're not added default value, it will give you none. So that's why it is always get method is the safer one compared to direct access method. So safer than square bracket means this is a direct access method. So direct access method, uh, otherwise I'll write get method is safer. So get method is safer than direct access method because get method won't throw an error if the key is missing. Since this line of code is simple, here it is fine. But if you are writing this get method in your code, suppose you have some 50 lines of code and you mention this method in between, what will happen? It will throw error. It won't run further code. So that is the advantage of using get method. So that's all about a difference between two methods. One is a direct access method and get method. And we discussed what is the advantage between these two. So that's all about this video. If you really like this video, please like and subscribe. Thank you.